sugar, ghee, 1 cup milk, 2 eggs, cardamom, saffron, spatula, 1 pan to fry, and bread as well. I'm going to break everything inside. We have mixed all the ingredients. I'm going to mix it well. Mix it until all the sugar is melted. Then put the bread in. Dip it on both the sides. Cover it well. Turn it. Yep. We'll do the same thing with the other bread as well. I will cover it up. And then dip it well in the milk mixture. Soak it up. It is really good mixture. Now put it in a pan. Wait until it gets brown on one side. Until then, I'm going to mix my rest of the breads. So I'm mixing it up. I'm coating it well on both the sides. Yeah, it's really good snack for kids if they want to eat. It's really healthy yet filling. So yeah, I mix it up and I'm making sure that all my breads are covered up. Yeah, now it's sizzling. As you can hear the sizzling noise. I'm going to turn it back. And this is how it looks like. I'm going to keep it until it's slightly brown. As you can see, it's not well done, so I'm going to keep it for some time, and I'm going to repeat the same way. Yep. Now I'm going to make sure that as I tap it down some time. Yep. I'm going to turn it now in some time once I feel it's ready. Yeah, and that's how it looks like. It's really healthy, it's warm, it's really comfort food for little ones. And also if you want to eat, if you want something quick by, something to boost your energy up, that's a really nice one. Yep, and I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to repeat this again for all the other breads. Voila, bon appetit!